In film schools today, students face a major challenge: outdated tools, scattered workflows, and steep learning curves. Creativity gets buried under complexity.
I wish we had a tool that let us collaborate like professionals from day one.
We're forced to jump between 5 different platforms just to finish one project.
Most tools are built for the industry, but not for learning, not for teaching, not for you. Pzaz is different. Built on the Pzaz principle, it starts simple, grows with you, and supports what matters most: your ideas. So, what exactly is Pzaz? Whether you're on set, on the train, or in class, Pzaz works where you are. One platform, real-time, modular, built for teams big or small. Pzaz doesn't just teach students how to use tools, it teaches them how to work together. Like professionals, teachers get insight into team dynamics, and students learn faster, smarter, and better.